Hola everyone, Christian here. Shopify just released a new plan. I mean, I say just, but maybe a couple months now, for only $5 a month. Let's get the full details and my thoughts on this. Towards the end, we're going to start a trial version so you can actually see how it looks. Stick around. The Shopify starter plan is for new sellers who want to sell to their customers through social media platforms or messaging app without actually maintaining an online store. Starter plan enables you to create product links, which you can share on social media posts or in messages or DMs, and you can get started selling immediately. You can share product information with just a few taps. So let's go over what's exactly included with the $5 a month. So they have a list of everything that all plans include, and there's gonna be a couple of extra features that are included with this starter plan. Now, features that are included on all plans, obviously unlimited products. So the number of products that you sell on the actual Shopify store isn't restricted, so you can have as many as you want. Unlimited bandwidth, so you aren't charged based on how many people are coming into your store. Again, this is all Shopify stores. The ability to have Shopify POS, online sales channels, brand assets, fraud analysis, manual order creation, abandoned cart recovery, all these kind of things are included in all plans. Now, what's included with the starter plan more specifically, and things that you want to know, number one, transaction fees. Transaction fees on the starter plan, because it's just a $5 a month, the transaction fees are gonna be a little bit higher. So the transaction fees for the credit cards are gonna be 5%. And what you typically see on the regular plans is the 2.9% plus the 30 cents, and I think 2.6 plus the 30%, and I think the other one's like 2.3% plus the 30%. So again, it's just a significantly higher percentage on a per transaction basis. You also get what they call the start theme, and the start theme is just ready to use. So you can't make a lot of changes to it, and you can't make any changes. It cannot be edited. So it's just a basic framework for your online store, essentially. You get reports, so you can actually track your business performance with reports. So you actually get a good chunk of the reports that you normally would get. So you're still able to track a lot of different things like, you know, consumer behavior, inventory reports, marketing, finances, etc. And then the last thing is international commerce. So the starter plan actually supports international selling. So it's not just for US-based businesses, and it's through their Shopify markets. So we'll probably make a video in the future about Shopify markets, which is a sort of a newer thing that they're rolling out. So if you want to learn more about Shopify markets, let us know in the comments below, and we'll make sure to make a video on that. Now, before moving on, I just want to say bienvenidos. My name is Christian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at BitBranding. We're an e-commerce growth agency that specializes in helping clothing stores grow and scale profitably online. We drop new videos every week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Now, what's not included with the plan, again, no full website builder. So again, you start with that starter plan, no custom domain support, no discount codes, no gift cards, and no abandoned cart recovery. So these are all things that, again, you would typically have when you have a full-fledged website store. You do get the typical .myshopify.com link, but you don't get that custom domain and that functionality of having a full-fledged website. Now, how much does it cost? Again, the starter plan costs just $5 per month. This actually replaces I believe it was called Shopify Lite, which was $9 a month. And again, the transactions fees for this new starter plan are 5% when you're using Shopify payments. Again, this type of starter plan is probably ideal for businesses that want to run tests on products. Maybe you're an influencer and you want to sort of delve your hands into maybe potentially selling some products, but you don't want to necessarily go on with a full-fledged store and go through all that process. You want something a lot simpler where you can just showcase products and that's it. Then the starter plan is ideal for you. Obviously, you can't do the starter plan if you already have a different upgraded plan. You can't sort of degrade to that. And I would also say for Shopify Lite users, they will probably deprecate that eventually. So you will probably get bumped up to, or bumped down, since you're paying $9 from $5 to $5. You probably get bumped down to the starter plan in order to kind of keep moving forward. I believe everyone on the Lite, as of right now, still can use the Lite plan, no problem. But moving forward from the time they watch this video probably, the Lite plan will not be available anymore, and you will just only have that starter plan for the $5 a month. Now, I also do want to mention that it doesn't include Shopify POS. So if you want to use the POS or create the online store, again, you'll have to upgrade to the basic Shopify plan or higher that do support the Shopify POS. So you can't do invoicing or card swiping or anything like that. This is exclusively for online sales, and even more specifically for those people who are truly taking advantage of their social media platforms. Maybe you have a great following on their social media platforms and you want to start trying to sell some products and test it out. I would highly suggest to just start with the starter plan and then potentially move forward with it. Now, I know you're just starting out, but moving forward, you want to make sure that you're tracking all your data. Now, if you're using the starter plan, you're probably just starting out, but moving forward, you want to make sure that you're tracking all your data. We're using a tool called Triple Wheel for all of our clients and group coaching members, and this tool allows us to see lifetime value of a customer at 30, 60, and 90 days. But we're also super excited about the tool with a feature right within it is the estimated action of customers. So imagine being able to just send out emails or run ad campaigns to customers who are likely to buy from you a second or third time, and knowing exactly when to send these marketing messages. It's just very, very powerful. Triple Wheel centralizes these metrics from all the tools that you use right into your pocket. They simplify, inform, and save you time. Make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now, how is the starter plan different from the next plan, which is going to be the basic, right? So the starter plan, again, is a very lightweight way to launch a business or, again, test a sales idea without spending too much time or startup capital on building a full website. With the starter plan, you get access to the essential features like product pages, checkout, inbox, and link pop, which if you don't know about link pop, it's basically a link tree on steroids for Shopify, made by Shopify for Shopify users. So you want to make sure that you check out that video right here. We made a full video just on link pop and all the features. You don't need the starter plan to start using link pop. Anyone can use link pop, so make sure to check that out. But starter plan with link pop, you can actually start selling right away. Even if you only have a smartphone. And obviously, once you've established a customer base and proven that there is demand for your product, then you want to explore the next plan, which is the Shopify basic plan, which includes the value added features like the theme editing, the actual full website, blog post, card swiping, potentially POS, and a lot more. Hey, if you like what you see, please consider clicking on that like button. Now let's jump into the Shopify starter plan landing page, which it's really cool. Actually, it has a little subtle animations here or there. They're using emojis, which is always awesome. They're definitely appealing to a younger audience who, again, may be very involved with social media and want an easy way to sell products, right? You're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever, and you want to start selling some of these products, use the starter plan. Let's go ahead and sign up and get started so you can kind of see some of the process here. Let's use this. Sure. And let's just do testing watermelon 3. That's the name of our store. It will go through some questions. So where is your business located? United States, that's fine. And as you can see, once you get started, this will look very similar. If you've already had a Shopify store before, it's the exact same back end. You'll have your orders, your products, customers, finances, all that kind of stuff. And this will walk you through some of the things that you make sure that you want to do as far as the setup. Obviously, we're in a trial right now, so we haven't necessarily started the starter plan. But as you can see, if we go to the online store, for example, under themes, because we did the starter plan, you see that the current theme is the start theme, which we can't necessarily do the typical customizer. It just allows us to manage the branding. So we're able to at least change the default logo, the square logo, some of the primary colors that we want to use, cover image. So it gives you a couple of things that you can do, social links, etc. So at least you get started with something, right? Again, this is not the full-fledged website that you would normally see. And as you can see, this is also under settings, and then you go to brand. That way you can actually access this, which I think moving forward, they're using this as sort of your main way to manage your brand, your logo, your colors, etc. And there you have it. I mean, it's just as simple as that. It's just a matter of adding some of your products. and then these actual links, having them in your social media platforms. And then again, using something like Link Pop, which let me see if I can do it from here. If not, it may be something where you have to go to the actual, okay, never mind. Yeah, you can do it from the App Store. So you'll see Link Pop in here, and that way you can actually make your link in bio shoppable. So you can actually offer more than one product within one link, and showcase a little bit more, make it easier for customers to shop with you. Because with Link Pop, you can actually, again, not going through the website, but inside of Instagram, click on it, you can go through the whole purchasing process right within there, right within the Instagram, TikTok app, whatever it may be. Starter plan, great for those just starting out. Maybe you have, again, a good social media following and you want to test different things. Even if you're well-versed, within Shopify and you want to test maybe some drop shipping ideas, do the starter plan and just get started that way. After a little bit, obviously that 5% transaction fee is gonna, going to be a heavy toll basically on your bottom line. So there's going to be a point where you want to eventually upgrade to that basic plan. If you guys have any questions about the starter plan or anything regarding the starter plan, let us know down below and we'll make sure to answer them. We'll see you on the next one.